All right, how are we doing? I wish I had some notes up. Next. All right, perfect. Good afternoon, everyone. I have the absolute pleasure of introducing to you something that's very close to my heart. So picture this: a financial app that doesn't avoid sucking the joy out of your life, but actually brings a smile to your face. And you heard it right, a bank that does not suck. That's Elroy for you. It's a delightful concoction of innovation, convenience, and a sparkle of joy. But before we dive into the wonders of Elroy, let's take a nostalgic trip back to where it all began. Trust me, it's a story filled with passion, weekends burned, and a relentless pursuit to revolutionize the financial landscape. But grab a comfy seat. I don't know if we have any popcorn to hand out as we go through this exhilarating journey. So, some of you may be familiar with IDT, but IDT has been around for a while. And if we hop into our time machine and go back to the days when international calls were kind of a big thing, right? But it also came with a really big bill. So our mission was simple and groundbreaking to make those long distance chats with grandma not just affordable, but a regular joy. And we envisioned a world where international calls weren't just a luxury, but a regular Tuesday night thing. So thus, we embarked on the mission to break borders and unite loved ones across continents without breaking the bank. And we wanted to make the world a little smaller, one call at a time. So we created Boss Revolution. This brand was a milestone for us, and it felt a bit like welcoming a new family member. Suddenly, we weren't just facilitating those heartwarming chats with grandma, we were becoming a daily companion for millions and millions of customers. So we're offering services that brought people closer, and we were setting up shop in tens of thousands of local bodegas, mom and pop shops in all the neighborhoods across the United States, and we became that kind of friendly face. As you could tell, the icon is outstanding, meaning you see it from a far distance, and now if you go back, you'll see them all over the place. And we became this beacon of connectivity and that regular, reliable friend that who has always had a solution for you. So what is it all really about? Let's take a stroll down memory lane. This is mingling in neighborhoods and talking with retailers, those tens of thousands of local shops. Each one is an independent business owner. They're all very important parts of our network, and that's one part of our organization. But as we were there talking with them, sharing cups of coffees with store owners, soaking in that vibrant energy of these local neighborhoods, we kind of got an insight in the transactions of all of our customers on those daily, weekly, and monthly bases, and also saw the hiccups that they experienced in those transactions. So we kind of saw this around us and saw this puzzle shifting around us, and we said, like, I think that we need to offer some other solutions that weren't kind of innovative, but they were a trustworthy and tailored part of the customer's experience. So it was a whole new realm, and we thought that we could really try to make a difference in all of our merchant and our customers' lives. Now, I don't know if anybody else has dealt with compliance before, but the financial sector is a bit like venturing into an uncharted territory. It's got its own set of challenges, its own set of dragons to slay. But we're up for the adventure. We rolled up our sleeves and dove headfirst into the nitty-gritty of government policies and regulatory processes, AML and KYC and CFT. And it was an exciting journey, and it gave us a chance to adapt and to grow. But it also was a reliable process for our customers that we had to adhere to and make simple for them to be able to do. So we designed the Boss Money app. This was our firstborn financial app. Picture this small team working tirelessly, fueled by endless amounts of coffee, and dreaming of creating something really, really groundbreaking. And voila, we were handling billions in transactions, connecting over 50 destination countries. And it was like watching our baby take its first steps, stumbling a bit, and then walking steadily and ready to run, exploring that vast world of financial opportunities. But we were growing and learning and ready to take on even bigger challenges. So we decided to ride upon that wave of insights from the Boss Money app, and we embarked on this new adventure with the launch of Wallet by Boss Money. This was us getting even deeper and more comprehensive in the financial space, but it wasn't just an app, it was kind of this financial inclusion and health focus tool, and that promised to nurture financial well-being. And it was, again, like welcoming a new family member in, really getting to the nitty-gritty of the daily lives of our customers and solving problems. So as we blossomed through this learning experience, we decided to really capitalize on what brought us to resonate with our customers. And that was really another step. We weren't just about sprucing things up in the app, but it was a pledge, a solemn pledge, to make financial services more approachable and personal. So we developed Elroy as a commitment to fostering this deep connection and build those relationships. So Elroy is really just a friend who knows you inside and out, always there to lend a hand or offer a word of advice, and making your financial journey not just simpler, but more attuned to your individual financial needs. So let's shift the spotlight to the real star of today's show. It's, again, just not another banking application. It's carefully crafted platform that understands the pulse of modern financial needs. It's designed to be a reliable companion in your financial journey and offer you a seamless, more personalized, convenient experience. So let's dive in and see what makes Elroy special. So the heart of the matter is we want to facilitate all the boring features of banking and add on and make them even easier to use. So we're trying to introduce what we consider game-changing in the financial sector. We packed it with a bunch of features that are not just user-friendly, but genuinely beneficial. So we offered earning an interest rate that's 62 times the national average. That's all. We offered contactless virtual cards and one-time use cards so that we can really try to make our customers' lives a little more safe and they could use all of the tools at their disposal. And it's really basically about putting the power in our customers' hands and making our customers' financial lives a little easier. All right, let's take a closer look at what Elroy has. We've designed it to be kind of a one-stop shop for all of your financial needs. And we're really proud about the array of services it offers. So first, adding money to your account is a breeze with multiple options, as you can see. Whether you prefer a debit card transfer or a traditional bank transfer, or even a good old cash deposit at one of our 90,000 plus locations. We've got you covered, and hey, we're about giving you the control to make sure that you make the right choices financially. And we made it super easy to switch your direct deposit. By basically under 1 minute, you can change your entire direct deposit right to our platform, right in the app. But we didn't stop there. So we're adding sending money in many, many different ways. As you can see, we have Elroy Pay and Elroy Global, which we're launching today. Mailing a check, paper check, bill payment, and our Boss Revolution Boss Money Transfer services as well. So whether you're going to those 50 countries, we've streamlined that process really to make it easy and approachable. All right, as we forge ahead, I'm thrilled to give you a glimpse of what we're also brewing in the Elroy Lab. We're not just aiming to be another app on your phone, but we're working tirelessly to become a financial powerhouse that caters to every facet of your financial life. So whether it's building credit, which I think everybody needs. I don't care if you're a first-generation immigrant or a college student. Everybody needs financial inclusion and credit building. Business accounts. So we're also thrilled to expand our horizon on business accounts, offering those services to individual businesses and broader business organizations. And guess what? Our retail network is just another facet of that endeavor, bringing a whole new dimension to business banking. We're also enhancing our connectivity with the Stellar network for both SEP 31, SEP 38, SEP 24, on and on. And we're also launching our international accounts. Right now, we're US focused, but over the coming months, we're launching in over 30 countries to give in-country users access to full bank accounts. So as you can see, the future of Elroy is not just bright, but it's got a lot of promise, innovation, and inclusivity. So let's shift gears for a second here, not to be boring. Let's keep it upbeat. What's the powerhouse behind the scenes with Elroy Global? We're really happy to share with you today. We're launching our initiative for free money transfer to Mexico, using Stellar as our backbone network. And this is really kind of revolutionary for us. As you can imagine, we're already a money remittance provider, and we are looking at various ways to make money transfer easier, less expensive, and more valuable and more timely to our customers. So some of the very interesting parts of why we chose Stellar for our money transfer services was the ease of bringing on new payment networks, the standardization by all of the protocols, and the SDF team has been just fantastic helping us get onboarded, and we're really looking forward to seeing what we're going to do next on the Stellar platform. But also the transparent protocols and the low transaction fees, of course, are a huge benefit to the organization and the customer. So really, this partnership with Stellar is more than just a collaboration. It's a giant leap forward for more connected and inclusive financial future, and we're just getting started. All right, so now I've been talking a lot, but I want to show you what Elroy Global can do. And not only that, but this is a very fast video because payments are supposed to be fast. So keep your eyes peeled and picture this. You're cozied up on your couch at home, and with just a few taps of your phone, you're sending money across the globe as easy as sending photo to a friend. So it's time to witness future of money transfer. Let's take a look. So right now I hit send on my thing, hit Elroy Global, select a person, put in how much I want to send. We can facilitate payments as low as $1. Hit send. Let's hope the video didn't. There it is. I'd verify my Face ID for security, submit my transaction, and now I'll go to my transaction history. Let's pull that up. See my transaction, see my process time, and you're done. So that was as fast as it goes to do an international money transfer to Mexico with, I'm going to say, the best rates out there. With all due difference to all of our competitors who may be here, we got great rates, and I think free is pretty inexpensive last time I checked. All right, so we are doing Mexico today. I think, yeah. There we go. All right, today, there we go. See, we didn't do live demos because the demo gods would not assist us. So, all right, so we're launching Mexico today, and coming soon we have Colombia, Argentina, and Brazil, and many others coming shortly. But this is going to be a really, really interesting process for us as we're learning and evolving through this new method of sending money worldwide. And I'm really, really excited if you could share that journey with us. So as we embark on this journey, we want to shower some love to all of our early adopters here at Meridian. So as a little token of appreciation, we want to offer for the first 500 new customers who sign up with this code, we'll give you $5 cash back for the transactions that you do. Just use Meridian 2023 at sign up. And when you use Elroy, it's not just about sending money. It's about fostering those connections with people abroad. It's about nurturing relationships and building that financial community where those transactions become those bridges that bring people closer together. So as we draw a close on this groundbreaking session, I do want to take a moment and share my immense gratitude to all of you who joined us here. And I also want to give a massive shout out to the team behind Elroy. The real heroes have burnt the midnight oil and sacrificed weekends and poured over their passion into crafting this revolutionary platform. The relentless drive and innovation are at the heartbeat of the transformative services that we're doing. So let's address the elephant in the room. This audacious slogan, "Your bank sucks," okay? We have this on t-shirts, stickers. Everybody loves it because I think everybody identifies with it. Does anybody love their bank? Any share of hands? If you love your, no, I don't think anybody does. So, we're really focused on this kind of mission statement almost, and it's a rallying cry for change in the industry. So we're here to shake up the banking sector, challenge the status quo, and deliver a banking experience that truly understands and caters to the needs of our customers. Because again, as we've learned through our Boss Revolution days and our retail discussions, we're on the ground, we're with our customers, we want to hear what they need and solve their problems. So with Elroy, we're not just changing the game, we're redefining the standards, and we really thank you for sharing that experience with us. And with that, I would love to take some questions if you have them. Anybody have any questions?
All right.
Hi, are you using Stellar, or are you planning on using Stellar for off-ramping in Latin America or on-ramping?
Yes, so we are looking to do this. This is one of our big initiatives is trying to solve or facilitate the on-ramp, off-ramp scenarios. So of course we have those 30 countries, core countries that we're doing full banking services with, and you can spend with cards and do wire transfers and all of the normal banking activities. But really the in-country cash out, cash in solution is really at the core of, I think, everybody's needs. So we're working with several partners now, and we're looking for more and more as time goes on to make that easier, and we are working with Stellar to facilitate that. You get a hat, by the way. Everybody asks questions gets hats.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey.
Question, I'm Argentinian. What rate are you going to off-ramp in
The best
Argentina?
rates.
Which is?
Clearly.
Which one? Which of the 40 best rates that we have?
Yeah, exactly. Well, that's, yeah. Exactly. So the good news about Argentina is one of our 30 plus countries. So if you're an Argentinian in country, you can open an Elroy account with a full USD balance, and we're going to be adding many multi-currencies onto that. You'll get a payment method. I don't remember the last, when we were in Argentina, or David was in Argentina, my co-founder, he got amazing rates as far as using our card, because we have some of the most premium rates for MasterCard. So I would love to get some feedback for you and bring you on as an early adopter of our international as well. You also get a hat.
Oh, Boris. All right. One quick last question. Thank you.
So you've got your traditional cross-border payment service. Now you have Elroy Global. What is the difference for a customer?
So one of the big things, I don't know if anybody else here is in the money transfer space. The biggest number one question that every money transfer customer asks is, where's the money, right? Where's the money? It is every customer care representatives, they must wake up in the middle of the night to, where's the money? Where's the money? So for us, speed and transparency were both extremely important. So on the Stellar side, that's kind of what you do in due course. Like that's what you're great about. So making sure that we can do transactions quickly, we know where the money is at any given moment, and we also have kind of standardization of processes like compliance, and transaction workflow and settlement and all of that great stuff. But that's where it's revolutionary in the industry. The industry is just not that well organized. And Stellar is really doing an amazing part to standardize those things, to give you all the pieces of the puzzle that you need to do a full and complete money transfer payment service.